Hi guys, I'm so glad you're here today because today I'm going to introduce you my favorite apps of all time, which is Grammarly, the best online writing assistant. If you want to get your grammar right, you want to get your intonation right, you want to get the feelings you want to convey right, you need to have a Grammarly. And what's best is that it is free. Okay, so let's take a look inside my Grammarly and you will understand what I'm talking about. Alright, so right now we are inside my Grammarly. This is my Grammarly. I have created everything inside here. Like the things that you can see on my profile, right? So every time before I post on my profile, I actually go inside Grammarly and check whether the feelings that I want to convey is correct or not, like how many marks that I can get for my intonation. So you might not understand, so let's take a look at Grammarly and I'll let you know. The reason why I'm opening Grammarly for here is because I have downloaded the desktop apps which they also provided, and it's a plus because it makes editing or getting all your work in the same place so much more easier, right? And I love how they can store up to unlimited amounts of the essay that you made, because this is where I can always come back to find my previous essay, so I don't have to scroll non-stop on Facebook to find back an old paragraph of mine, which make it perfect for us if we want to repurpose the content on different social marketing channel like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. Well, you get the idea. Okay, so now let's take a look inside this. All right. Okay, so let's see about here. Okay, this is where I compile my ideas about all the 25 actionable ways I can use to improve your Facebook page performance and just come up with the idea. Then over here, I will check whether or not the grammar is correct, right? So over here, you can actually set your goal, like who are the audience that you want to talk to, like just talk to those that who are more knowledgeable, those who are expert, or those general audience. So if you set your setting to general audience, right, meaning everyone is easy for everyone to read it with minimal effort. But if you click on knowledgeable, that means it requires some focus for people to read and understand. So you can do this when you want to qualify your leads, but that's not what I'm looking for, so I always go for general. So the formality can be informal, neutral, or formal informal, like um, this, okay? Like I will. Okay, this is what they call informal. If in formal form, you have to type it like this, I will, right? So, okay, let's come over here. And this domain you have, you can't change it because you got to go premium. That means you got to have a paid account to use this. And but then you can choose a tone, like what kind of tone that you want. Like I always want to go for confidence, joyful, optimistic, friendly, analytical, respectful. Sometimes when I try to ask people to grab a promotion from me, I will go for the urgent tone. Okay, yeah. So what's your intent? Are you going to describe something? Are you going to inform people about something? You want to convince them about something, or you want to tell a story? You can always choose set the goal over here. You can have set 5 goals before you start yeah, coming up with your paragraph. Okay, so yeah, so this is one of the way that I use it. But then yeah, I can come over here, like if all of my posts is actually like this. Okay, so I just come inside here and type for any post that I made. So over here, if there's anything wrong, right, they will tell me like this is not concise. So yeah, so they will give me some suggestion on how I can improve my writing. So over here, here are some premium suggestions where they wouldn't help me to fix it. I have to come up on my own because I'm on the free plan. But then if you are on a premium plan, right, they will give you suggestion to change all these things too. Okay, so yeah. So this is how powerful Grammarly is. What's your thought? Do you think Grammarly is really powerful too? So let me know about your thoughts below. You can connect with me on Facebook or something and let me know whether or not you like this too. So stay tuned and keep watching the next video.